I'm sure a few fingers are lost from that research. All right, welcome back to Western New York Living. Now we are here this morning to debunk an old myth that some folks seem to hold true today for some reason. Eating healthy means a handful of carrots, celery, and other foods that may not be your favorites. Well, that's not entirely true, and I have two folks here who can back me up in that statement. Joining me this morning from the I Do You Weight Loss Center is Donna Herberger and Chef Darian Bryan from Bratz Hill by Chef Darian. Thank you both for being here.
Absolutely.
All right, so Donna, healthy eating, it's not just, eating like a rabbit, is it?
Not at all. No, not at all. And it's all in the way you prepare the food. And you don't just eat veggies on our program. You eat some of our products, but then you can have your own protein at dinner. And we're going to see a recipe that Chef and I did for a great flank steak.
All right, yeah, we're going to talk about that in just a moment. But I first want to talk about, we're going to show a few success stories here.
Yes.
And tell us how organizing meals helped these folks and all your clients.
Well, it's all about meal prep. It's all about prepping for the week. What are you going to have for dinner every night so that you make sure you have the right ingredients at home. And we've got great cookbooks so people can follow easy recipes, or they can eat out in a restaurant or get some healthy takeout. So it's not only what they eat, but how much and the portion and when they eat and the accountability. And that's why our program works.
So you're saying waking up in the morning saying, what am I going to have today? That's probably not the approach to have.
We show you that we have about 70 different products. Choose one for breakfast, so it's simple. Lunch, one of our products, veggies and a salad. So you know what you're going to have for breakfast and lunch. Dinner is always the big question, but with recipes that we did, cookbooks, it's easy.
Now, speaking of show you, let's show you some work these two did on that healthy flank steak meal.
Welcome back to All Things Ideal and our cooking segment with Chef Darian Bryan in his kitchen, the Plating Society in Buffalo, New York. Today, he's going to make for us a flank steak with cauliflower rice.
Fajita style,
Fajita style?
Yeah, fajita style. All the colors, I love the colors. I'm from Jamaica, I love bold colors, so when I see the red, the gold and the green, I'm like, I'm all in.
I'm in.
So first thing first, we have beautiful flank steak here. So we're just gonna rub it up, both sides. That smoked paprika again, man. Add that nice smoky element to this dish. So whenever you're grilling, make sure you put some oil on the grill, or a little spray,
right,
or else it's gonna stick. I got some sesame oil, just a little bit just to coat the pan, then the rice goes in.
And we did not see you prepare that cauliflower, but how did you do that?
So you can find these in the frozen aisle. Frozen veggies and fruits is good for you. It's not like it's bad. It's quick and easy. You season this a little bit, just a little salt and pepper. We're gonna cut these up. So we're gonna grill these up, get some nice color in them. Ooh, look at those colors, man. Remind me of home. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plate. So we're gonna take this off, we're gonna let it rest. Oh man, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Look at that. And some soy sauce on the side, just for dipping. I'm gonna show you how to do it, just like this. That's delicious.
And folks, this is a dish you can make at home. Even though it's Buffalo, New York, I grill 365 days a year outside, and you can too. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Let's do it.
And it looks like when you did that, Chef, that's, it looked delicious for sure. That didn't look like that was a ton of prep, and it didn't look like it would take a whole lot of time to prepare and make that meal.
Quick and easy. It's all about mise en place, right? Getting everything in place that you need. Make cooking more fun and enjoyable.
All right, and you can cook at home and healthy, but you can also eat out healthy, and that's part of Bratz Hill. You have some healthy dishes you offer there too, right?
Yes, we do. So sometimes people come in there like, oh, you're vegan, you're plant-based. I'm like, I have all of that coconut milk and at all times, so it pretty much can make whenever, whatever you guys want. We can whip up something really quick. That's what we do, right? With
yes.
these people.
And Donna, that's all part of the program too. You said that the dinner's the variable here.
Right.
You can, by meals like that, how to prepare them and what to ask for when they dine out.
Exactly. And you can go out for a fish fry in Buffalo, but get it broiled or baked, not breaded and fried. You can have your chicken grilled, baked, or broiled, not breaded and fried. So a lot of it is in the way it's prepared.
All right, or go to Brad's Hill by Chef Darien at
That's
the
right.
Market Building, and they'll
Make
have a
something
great.
special for you. I got you.
There you go. Awesome. Well, tell me all about it. The Ideal Weight Loss Center. It is your healthy, rapid weight loss center. They have 3 locations in our area. And Donna does suggest that you register for an upcoming virtual or in-person open house. You can find out more about the program. You can head to their website at idealu.com, or you can call, set up an appointment on your own, 631-8446. And if you're looking to dine out or maybe for lunch or dinner, take the time to head over to Brad's Hill by Chef Darien. That's located at 719 Seneca Street in Buffalo. It's inside the Larkin building. There you'll find a great menu with some healthy options, delicious too. You can also give them a call at 362-2665 or check them out online at bradshill.com.